In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently save documents in Microsoft Word using a shortcut key. Imagine you're working on an important document. Maybe it's a report for work, a paper for school, or even a personal project that you've poured hours into. The last thing you'd want is to lose all your progress due to an unexpected shutdown or distraction. This is where knowing how to quickly save your document comes into play, not only to safeguard your work, but also to streamline your workflow. Let's start from the very beginning, ensuring that everyone can follow along, regardless of their familiarity with Microsoft Word or their computer skills. The first thing you need to do is to locate and open Microsoft Word on your computer. You might have it pinned to your taskbar, but if you don't, you'll need to click on the Windows Start menu. It's the little icon at the bottom left corner of your screen, often represented by the Windows logo. Once you've clicked on it, you'll see a search bar. This is your gateway to finding any application on your computer. In the search bar, simply type Word as you type. You'll see suggestions pop up. Look for Microsoft Word in the list and click on it to open the program. If this is your first time using Word, or you haven't set it to automatically open your most recent document, you'll be greeted with the Word Home screen. Here you can either choose to open a recent document or start a new one. Either way, the process we're about to discuss will work for both new and existing documents. Now comes the main event, saving your document efficiently with a shortcut key. Whether you're just starting your document or you're midway through typing, it's a good habit to frequently save your work. Traditionally, you might go to the File menu and click Save or Save As, but there's a faster way. Simply press Ctrl plus S on your keyboard. Ctrl is the control key, and it's usually found at the bottom left or right of the keyboard. By pressing Ctrl plus S simultaneously, you're instructing Microsoft Word to save your document. It's a simple action, but it's incredibly effective and time-saving. For those working on new documents, the first time you use this shortcut, Word will prompt you to name your document and choose where to save it on your computer. This step is important as it ensures your document is easily retrievable later on. After you've named your document and chosen a save location, hitting Ctrl plus S again will simply save the latest changes to your document without prompting you. It's a quick way to ensure all your edits and additions are securely saved without interrupting your workflow. For those revisiting an existing document, Ctrl plus S becomes even more powerful. Each press instantly saves any new changes made, seamlessly integrating into your writing or editing process. This means you can make saving a near automatic action, significantly reducing the risk of losing work due to program crashes, power outages, or other interruptions. Here's a bonus tip. If you're working on a document that's already saved and you want to save a new version of it without overwriting the original, you can use the shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus S. This brings up the Save As dialog, allowing you to save a copy of the document possibly under a new name or in a different location, which is a great way to maintain different versions of a document. To recap, today we've gone through how to open Microsoft Word from the Windows Start menu, how to select a document to work on, and most importantly, how to save your work quickly and efficiently using the Ctrl plus S shortcut. Incorporating this simple shortcut into your routine can significantly streamline your work process, ensuring that all your hard work is safely saved and easily accessible for future editing. Remember, frequent saving is a best practice in any digital work environment, and with the Ctrl plus S shortcut it's easier than ever. Happy typing, and remember, save early and save often.